So now on to the second question. A revenue for a store would be on a particular item, in this case, price per pound times number of pounds, would give us the revenue that they are earning in dollars. And so we are given here that there are 34 pounds of Honeycrisp that are to be sold. And that is at $2 a pound. So if they were sold alone, then the revenue earned would be $68. We have an unknown amount of Gaia apples that sell for $1.33 per pound. We're solving for how many pounds of Gaia apples. And by the same process, multiply 1.33 by X. That would give us the revenue. Another thing that's unknown. Because the more expensive Honeycrisp apples were not selling well one month, the manager decided to put them into some packages and sell them together, hoping to move that item a little more quickly, and hopes that that will not result in any loss of revenue. So if we sell that total, the mix for $1.50 per pound, as you can still see showing just at the top there, $1.50 per pound right there for the mix. We don't know how many pounds are in that either, but it's the total from the two different types of apples. And we would figure out the revenue the same way. 1.5, the price per pound times how many pounds. And to get no loss of revenue, we would need the 68 plus the 1.33x to equal the 1.5 times the x plus 34. Now, before I'm solving for x, I want to point out that the price of the mix is only 17 cents away from how much the Gaia apples sell for, whereas it is further away, 50 cents per pound less than the Honeycrisp when sold alone. And so I would think that that price for the mixture is coming from the fact that more of the less expensive Gaia apples are being used. Let's find out if we get something that's bigger than 34. So on the right, I'm going to distribute. And I believe 1.5 times 34 would give me 51. If I subtract the 1.33x from the 1.5x, that would give me, whoops, it would give me 0.17x. Just erase this. If you'd rather see it written this way, you can. Subtract 51 from both sides. Divide 17 by 17 hundredths. and you get 100 pounds of the Gaia apples. And as a check, 1.33 times 100 is going to be 133. And we already knew that we're getting a revenue of $68 from the Honeycrisp. So if they were sold alone, we'd have this for a total. We want to see, is that the same as 1.5, the price of the mix? The X plus 34 that we had earlier, well, now that we know that X is 100, then X plus 34 is 134, and we are getting the same revenue either way. That's all for now. I hope it's helped. And if so, like, subscribe, share.